We'll guide you through how to make shake effect in After Effects Sapphire Plugin. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening the Windows search bar, then type After Effects and open the program once it appears. When the main window loads, select New Composition to create a fresh workspace. After that, move to the project bar on the left side, right-click it, and choose Import from the menu that shows up. Inside the import choices, select File, then find the footage you plan to use, confirm the selection, and let it load into the project panel. Once the footage is there, drag and drop it straight into the timeline, so it becomes part of your composition. When the clip is placed, right-click the timeline again, choose New from the menu, and then select Adjustment Layer, so you have a clean layer to hold the effect. With the adjustment layer ready, go to the Effect and Presets panel on the right, and type 𝗧𝗛𝗪𝗘 into the search bar. When the effect appears, drag and drop it onto the footage in the timeline, so the effect is applied. After that, look at the Effect Controls panel and turn on the Amplitude keyframe, so the shake animation can change over time. Set the first keyframe to whatever starting strength feels right for the shake. Then move forward a few frames in the timeline to create room for the animation. Add another keyframe, and set this second one to 0, so the shake fades out. When both keyframes are in place, select them all, right-click, choose Keyframe Assistant, and then pick Easy Ease to smooth the motion. This keeps the shake from feeling stiff. After adding Easy Ease, open the graph editor to adjust the speed curve and match the settings you want. You can follow the settings shown in your reference or adjust the curve in a way that feels right for your edit. While you are in the effect controls, you can also set the remaining values based on your taste, including how much frequency you want for the shake. If you want a softer or more energetic feel, this is where you can shape the effect. You can also turn on the blur option if you want a bit of motion blur added to the shake. Finally, you can set the shake direction by adjusting the position controls inside the X shake, Y shake, or Z shake options to get the exact look you want for your shot.